Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to insert, copy, and paste and move around your image in MX Word, just like what you see right here without any stress. All you have to do is to watch this video from beginning to the end and see the simple hack I'm going to show you right here in this video. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select all this image and I'll press delete on my keyboard. Then we'll start all over without any stress. So for that, what we want to do here is to go ahead and insert the image. So go ahead and come to the top right here, click on Insert tab, navigate to Image, this device, or anywhere you want to insert your image, as the case may be. And the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and have my image in my download folder right here. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to my download folder right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and select any image, right? So I'm going to select this particular, better still, I'm going to select this image right here. And I'll go ahead and click on Insert. Just like so. Now, after a successful insertion of the image, you can see that the image is unable to move. First thing first, I'm going to scale in and scale out the image. I will just scale in right here. And just to adjust the size of the image, just like so. So you can see the image is not moved right here. So how can we move this image around to any position of our choice in MS Word? So for that, just right click on the image, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on wrap text, then go ahead and click on in front of text. So with that will enable you to move your image around anywhere in MS Word. So you can decide to move the image right here. Now we want to make a copy, just press Ctrl D. This will make a duplicate of this right here. Then you can press Ctrl D again to make another duplicate right here. Now you want to duplicate into different places and then resize. For that, press Ctrl key down and select the second one, Ctrl key down and select the third one. The next thing you want to do is to press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. We can drag this from the bottom right here, and then you can press Ctrl D again to make another duplicate, and then you are done. You can go on and make different duplicates in this regard. Go ahead and press Ctrl D again, and then drag and then position your image right here. It's that simple, just like what you see right here. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Microsoft Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.